Hello students, welcome to standard 12th subject mathematics lecture 28. This is chapter 1 relations and functions. After exercise 1.3 we have a new topic here, that is binary operations. Binary means 2, we know binary means 2, and operations means in maths basic operations, fundamental operations, that is addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. So between the two numbers, what is addition, subtraction, multiplication and division, that is any of this fundamental operation is coming in this binary operation. So we have defined here is the four fundamental operations for given any two numbers a and b, that is addition we show as a plus b, subtraction a minus b, multiplication a into b as a b written, and division a upon b where b is not equal to 0. This comes in binary operation. Binary means two numbers and operations means all four basic operations. Now related to this, definition 10 we have, which the notations and what is the binary operation it gives. A binary operation shown by star like, this is the sign of binary operation on a set A, is a function. Binary operation is taken as a function, is binary operation from A cross A to A. If it is a function, it will have some domain and some codomain. So what is the domain of binary operation? It is defined as set A. A cross A is domain of this binary operation and to A is codomain. And it is denoted as binary operation on AB by A binary B. A binary operation B. This way it is denoted. This is the definition 10. Related to that example 29 we have now, in which show that addition, subtraction and multiplication operation on R, they are addition, subtraction and multiplication operation are binary operation on R, that we have to show, and further show that division is a binary operation on set R star, where R star is a non-zero real number. In R all real numbers. On this all real numbers, addition, subtraction and multiplication are binary operation, that we have to show. And division is not binary operation on R, it is binary operation on R star. What is R star here? It is non-zero real number, means except 0 all real numbers. So one by one we will define here. For addition, it is plus shown addition. Function is from R cross R to R because it is defined on the set R by definition. If on A cross A to A, here on R, so R cross R to R is given by, because of it is addition of AB, we will show A plus B. Similarly, minus shows subtraction is also function from R cross R to R, and it is given by AB. If we write, it shows by subtraction because A minus B it will show. Multiplication function is from R cross R to R is given by AB, means A into B multiplication. Since plus, minus and multiplication, since addition, subtraction and multiplication are the functions, they are functions, right? They are, because they are function, they are binary operation on R. So the first part is completed, that addition, subtraction and multiplication operation on R. They are operation on R, binary operation on R. Now what about division? But division is a division sign. Division is from R to R, given by AB. You can write A upon B in division. Is not a function. Why it is not a function? As for B equal to 0 in R, 0 will also be there. And if B equal to 0, the A upon B is 0 here. So upon 0, you know that it comes, it doesn't define. So A upon B is not defined for B equal to 0. Hence, it's not a binary operation. It's not a function and it's not a binary operation. Why it is not being a function? Because for the B is not equal, B is equal to 0. So if we remove this B equal to 0 and every number except 0 if we take on R, then it will be defined. So that is only discussed after that. However, division, if it is a function defined on r star to r star cross r star to r star. What is this r star? R star again, you remember that non-zero real number. Non-zero means no zero. In R, all real numbers you will take except 0. So in R star 0 is not there. So it is given by division particularly function AB equals to E upon B is a function. Why it is a function here? Because R star is non-zero real number. 0 is not there. So on this R star division is a function. If on R star division is a function, hence the binary operation on R star. So division is binary operation on R star on non-zero real, not on R, because it comes 0 in that. So you see one or two times, you will understand what is this definition and